Hi stylers, welcome back to another video. I am Renee. If you're new here, I share all things home related. I am at Meixi department store on Red Hills Road again, Red Hills Mall to be exact, and I'm here this time just to check out what they have for the Christmas. If you haven't seen my last video where I shared everything that they have, that was a fall video, but I shared everything in store, you can check out that video. But in this video I'm only checking out like the Christmas decoration and a few other decorative items. I hope you enjoy this video. See you at the end.
Wow, wow, this Christmas. There's one thing on my wish list. There's one thing on my wish list. There's one thing that I wish. One thing at the top of my list. Oh, one thing I wanna do was share this time. Don't kiss it. Wow, with you.
Christmas bells ring, ring, swinging my shopping bag, singing. Oh, ring, ring, the Christmas bells ring, ring. I don't know how much I spent on this bling, bling, but I don't care what it costs. I'm leaving no name uncrossed. I got a list in my coat pocket stash, 'cause when they open their gifts, their mood will instantly lift, 'cause loved ones mean so much more than my cash. Ring, ring, the Christmas bells ring, ring, slinging my credit card, mingling. Oh, ring, ring, the Christmas bells ring, ring. I feel a tingling from joy that it's bringing, 'cause I feel cheeriest when I give to family and friends. They've been there Ring, ring, the Christmas bells, ring, ring. Swinging my shopping bag, singing. Oh, ring, ring, the Christmas bells, ring, ring. I don't know how much I spent on this bling, bling. Ring, ring, the Christmas bells, ring, ring. Swinging my shopping bag, singing. Ring, ring, the Christmas bells, ring, ring.